Welcome. If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Francine, and on this channel we talk about personal finances, whether it is creating a budget, getting out of debt, or saving for a better future. Today we are doing a cash envelope stuffing. If you've seen the last video, you will know what the budget breakdown was. This video we are just going to be stuffing the money that needs to be stuffed. Like always, we are going to unstuff our envelope. Okay. This is the savings challenge, so we are going to keep that there until we have to deposit this for a debt payment. Okay, so that's basically it that we have. We have a lot of ones. We have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So $15 left. We're going to put this to the side. And we have some change. We're just going to leave this. Over here. Boom. So we're going to start stuffing our wallets. Eating out is getting no cash. Me time is getting 200, which is 250s and 101s. Okay, this is, oh wait, no. Split it up. Alright. This is to do my nails for Valentine's Day. And other miscellaneous stuff that goes around prepping for that. So there's 120, 130, 140. Well, 2, 4, 6, 8, 90. Okay. And then gas is going to get a $50 bill, y'all. And that's about it. That is it for envelopes. We are now going to go to sinking funds. With sinking funds, we are going to start with Saveopoloy. Okay. So there was actually an update in our Saveopoloy board. We had to change the face of Saveopoloy. So this was the original one, where we had the characters from Monopoly. They have the same, like, board characters, right? But in the new one, we had to switch it up for copyright purposes. So the link is a bit different. This was made by Scratch. The board color is a bit different as well. Okay, so if you ordered before the switch, you got the original one. If you order after the switch, this is the board you are getting now. Okay, I'm going to leave some pictures so you can see up close and personal what the change looks like. But it's nothing, the numbers does not change, the placement does not change, just the look of the board. Okay, so just in case if you get the updated one and you're like, well, the one you're working with is different. It is, I know, I can't control what I can't control, but I can control what I can't, and this is rearranging the board. The face of the board, not the numbers. So with the Saveopoloy, we are just going to go to that section. I'll probably make a new sticker so you guys aren't confused. We rolled a 7, so we stopped at the railroad. So 7 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, we rolled a 6. Sorry, we rolled a 6. So we stopped at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We stopped at 147. So 129. 147 is how much we will be giving to Saveopoloy. Okay. So 147 is 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. One, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we have 1.7K in 12 weeks is getting $18. So that is a 10, a 5. We can move this up. 5, 6, 7, 8. We are saving so much money. I can't even believe it. So 10, 15, 17, 18, 19. So we are just going to add that here. Car is getting nothing. Self-care is getting 35, which is a 20, 34, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. $20, $30, $31, $32, $33, $34. We have to replenish self-care because self-care is like, she's going through it. Couples goals. Now this is where the big money is coming in. Couples goals is getting $100, $200, and that's going to be 200. This is going to be spent real soon. So I'm hoping that I have enough for what I actually want to do. Shutdown is getting 40. As you know, shutdown is for when I don't get paid during the summer. Once again, I still haven't checked out with my current job if I do get paid during the summer, but Traditionally, teachers do not get paid during the summer. So we're doing 40. I know there was a comment down below that said I should use my stimulus check, half for shutdown and half for debt payoff, I think. I'll leave the comment over here. However, your girl went to the eye doctor and got her some new glasses, and her new glasses was $600. My whole stimmy check went to glasses. The price you pay to see, like legit, the price you pay to see. So right now I have the new glasses on right now. It's actually amazing. The doctor said that my eyes didn't change that much, so I could have stayed with my old glasses, but I want to see to perfection. And but these are loaners because I asked for the gold pair and they gave me the silver pair. So he said you can use this one for now, and then when a new one comes in, just swap it out. But $600, I had to pay for the lens. Pay for the frame. I added the extreme blue light cancellation because I'm on the computer every day. And $600. Yeah, that's a lot, y'all. That's a lot for me. So shutdown is getting $40, I said. Freeport Creation is getting a 50. So we're just gonna plop a 50 right here. House Saving is getting 42 for 2. Oh, this is actually going very well. Trouble is getting nothing, nada. Tech is getting nada. Actually, Tech is getting a gift card because I returned an air fryer, and it was out of return policy. So they gave me a Best Buy gift card, which understandable. So I'll use that money to get my new computer. Okay, and then this last 10 is for SG row. Perfect. Okay, so what's left over is the remaining, and as always, leftovers go to debt payment. Where are we? Ooh. Girl, my money fell out. I went too fast. Okay. But debt payment is getting 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that's going into snowball. Okay. If you want to know how much I have overall in my sinking funds, the sinking fund update video will be up soon. If you want to know how much I saved in my savings challenge this month, that video will also be up soon. But thank you so much for watching. This video was quick, easy, fast. I know I'm on lunch break, not even lunch break, just a prep. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.